Part 2 mga kababayan, doon naman tayo sa immigration level plans for 2026, 2027, 2028 for permanent residents. Kasi ito yung maraming nag-aabang. Dumamay ba? Kumonte? So the magic number is 380,000 in the next 3 years. 2026, 2027, 2028, 380,000 yung parang planned PR na admissions na gagawin ng gobyerno. So hatiin natin, ano yung itsura nung 380,000? So yung federal high skilled, mga around 109, 110, 111,000 per year in the next 3 years yung target nila. So ito yung madalas nasa express entry. Skilled worker, Canadian experience class, skilled trades, mga ganon. Yung mga economic pilot programs, tinitignan ko yung chart ngayon, naka-broken down din siya, around 8,000 plus. Ito yung agri-food pilot, mga caregivers, ayan, kasama siya dyan. For the next 3 years, tig 8,000 plus. Yung AIP o Atlantic Immigration Program, tig 4,000 lang po, consistently for the next 3 years. Provincial Nominee Program yung tinaas. I think it was just 55,000 this year, 90 plus thousand siya per year for the next 3 years, 2026, 2027, 2028. So ibig sabihin lumaki yung allocation ng PNP. So this is good for those na who have employers who are very much willing to provide them strong support in terms of permanent residency through the provincial nominee program. Ito yung mga employer-driven streams, for example. Diyan pwedeng ito yung makita nating madagdagan pa. Unlike ngayon na nabawasan 2025 compared to 2024. Para sa mga spouse, children, mga sponsorships, 69,000, 66,000, and 66,000 ulit yung allocation for 2026, 2027, and 2028. Parent-grandparent is consistently 15,000 for 2026, 2027, 2028. So, at least malaki yung number. Sa mga Pilipino, yun lang talaga yung mga tinitignan nila dito. Sa humanitarian and compassionate, around 6,900 for 2026, tapos 5,000 and 5,000 for 2027 and 2028. So nakita natin, ano ba yung changes before? Before kasi, the previous administration said na ang immigration target nila by 2026, 2027 is around 500,000 per year. Pero ngayon nakita natin, binagalan muna yung immigration. I think inaayos muna nila yung mga temporary foreign workers na issue na nakikita natin sa mga bali-balita. So 380 muna yung number natin. Nakita nyo naman taon-taon nag-iiba siya. So next year, it could be more, it could be less, hindi natin alam. Pero consistently, lumalaki yung ibang allocations, which is good, lalo na yung nakita natin sa provincial nominee program. So this is a good sign. Hindi kinalahati yung PR targets, which is good, naging consistent lang siya for the next 3 years. So ito yung parang sinasabi nilang immigration stability, sustainability. Yun yung sinasabi lagi. Kung nakikita niyo sa mga balita, sa mga announcements, sustainability yung keyword na ginagamit nila. So, is it still competitive? Pwede pa rin ba? Mahihirapan ba ang mga tao to become PR? Actually, nakalatag naman kung tinitingnan nyo. Sundan nyo kung ano yung mga shortlist sa mga province, kung target provinces nyo, ano yung mga shortlist, ano yung mga madalas nanonominate. Tignan nyo rin, kung international student, tignan nyo yung mga field of study na may PGWP, eligibility. Sa federal, tignan nyo yung category-based selection, ano yung mga shortlist. Tapos yung sa OWP qualification, di ba, may listahan din ng mga trabahong qualified. These are breadcrumbs kung ano yung talagang preferred or tina-target ng mga Canadians na kailangan nila, na gusto nilang gawing permanent resident din. Kasi ito yung parang may shortage dito sa Canada. So it's better for you to align your skills to those kasi either locally in your country or dito po sa Canada through international education. So it's totally up to you. So yun po, this is good news kasi there's consistency. Hindi yung taas-baba yung announcement. At least nakita natin may improvement in some sectors, and sa temporary foreign worker section naman, and temporary residents medyo binawasan ng konti pero nandun pa din. So kumbaga, basically Canada remains open. Ang dami sinasabing balitang pinapauwi, pero ito na, may target, may immigration target. So ito yung dami ng kukunin for the next 3 years. Next year, abangan natin ulit kung ano yung magiging forecast nila. So yun po, thanks for watching. Ito po si Kuya Mikmik, ang inyong immigration consultant. Please follow us for more.